Check. So hello friends, welcome to this live. In this, we are live after a long time. So what we are gonna do in this live is we'll be solving some lead code problems. Gonna pop this out. Okay, cool. So I'll be having a chats right in front of me. Cool. Hope my stream quality is good. After a long time, I'm live. I need to check it. Let me check it. So hello friends, welcome to this live. In this, we are live after a long time. So what we are gonna do in this live is we'll be solving some lead code problems. Gonna Okay, cool. So the quality is fine. Cool. So you have the chats here. So let's go and solve some lead code problems. We have ChatGPT right too for our help. So how do I solve some problems? Some lead code problems is I just go to this and then I've solved some 120 easy problems. Okay. 116 easy and 4 medium. Medium was of SQL. Okay. I wish I could, keep it on top, but I won't be able to do it. Let's just. I was on 6th number. No, I was not able to do this. Reverse a string 2. Let's try to solve this problem. Okay. I got it. I was not able to solve this also. Diameter of a binary tree? Nice. Given the root of a binary tree, return the length of the diameter of the tree. So if any one of my, like if you have any doubts regarding coding or anything, you can just give me a comment, give a chat, and I'll explain to you that thing. For example, if you want to learn about Python or anything, I'm there for you. Cool. Let's continue. Given the root of a binary tree, return the length of its diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two in a tree. The path may or may not pass through the root. Means the length of the path between the two nodes is represented by the number of edges. So how the diameter is 3 in this case. 1, 2, how 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't get this problem, bro. I didn't get the problem. Length of the longest path between any two node in a tree. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like this. Length. Okay, got it. So this is a dangerous problem. Let us try. Hope you are able to see the fonts. If not, I'll increase it. Maximum to 21. Cool. Okay. So how we are gonna do this? Will I be able to solve this problem? I don't think so. 4, 2, 1, 3. How are we gonna do this? If we traverse it in this order, no. So let us try to. Okay, and also I forgot to delete something. Okay, I just don't want this now. Cool. How are we gonna do this? Okay. Let's copy this image and paste it here for now. Oh my god. Paste it here, zoom a little bit and let's see. So you have this, you have the root. Then we need to traverse the root. We'll be able to traverse the root like this. Gonna go back. We can traverse like this, but how can we get the diameter? And this problem is an easy problem, so it's dangerous. We can go level wise. So I don't think I'll be able to solve this problem. Nice, cool. Let's move on to the next problem. Student student attendance record 1. You are given a string S representing an attendance record for a student where each character signifies whether the student was absent, late, or present on that day. Okay, absent, late, or present. A record only contains the following characters. 3. The student is eligible for an attendance award if they met both of the following criteria. For an attendance award. Okay. The student was absent for strictly fewer than. So the first condition we'll have is this. It should be less than fewer than 2. Okay. And the student was never late for more than 3. So the second condition is student is less than late is less than. Okay. X is late and absent. Cool. And true if the student is eligible for attendance award or false otherwise. So how are we gonna go for a week? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, this problem I can say that this is an easy problem. Let us see now how we can solve this problem. It will be, I'm not going to solve it here, but rather than here. Okay, so we'll be having input something like this. Okay, PPALLA. So we'll have the A. I'm going to declare this two variable. This will mark for the absentees, and this will mark for the late. So I'll traverse this string, and if I need to count first of all, so I'll just I'll mark. If C is equal to absent, then I'm gonna increment. If C double equals late, I'm gonna increment. Okay, so if A is greater than, the condition was if A is less than I guess, hope so, or and L is less than 3, we're gonna return true, not do anything else, return false. So I hope this is the solution. This problem I can consider it as an easy problem, not the previous one. I don't know if 6 fewer than 2. Okay, so the second condition is a little weird. So it's never late for 3 or more consecutive days. So I need this L to be, yeah, so I'm going to return a false here. The L should be parallel to each other. So what I can do now, okay, in this condition, okay, I just need to change this thing. I'm gonna increment L, and if L is somehow 3, just gonna late is equal to false for now. And if L is equal to 3, I'm not gonna increment these things. Or else if I don't find any, I'll mark it as 0. So I'm gonna check for late here. Not late. Okay, let's run this code and okay, so it gets accepted for now. Yo, bro, is there anyone? Hi, the lazy busy code. I'll say hi to myself. Hi, myself. How are you? Cool. So no one is watching us. No issue. I was not able to solve these two problems. Cool. We'll learn it. Given a string, reverse the order of the characters in each word within a sentence while still preserving white space in the initial word or what does that mean? Reverse this. Yeah, we are reversing it. Cool. So what does this mean? While still preserving white spaces, space and initial word order. Okay, so they mean we just have to reverse the word. So how we can do it? Is there any no? So how we can do this in a better way? So normally what we can do is we can I'll show you. I'll draw and I'll show you. So if we have this thing in front of us, normally what you can do is we can iterate over. We can start at this point. It'll we'll reverse this thing with the two pointer. Okay, so we have to do it in place or okay, we can return a new string. We have to return a new string. So I'll build a word. Okay, cool. What I'll do, I'll declare this stuff. I'm gonna iterate over this. Then sorry, if C double equals a space, what I'm gonna do, something I'm gonna do. Else what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna not out, but I'm just gonna add it. Okay. Add it, add it, add it, add it, add it. If I didn't get a space, okay. If I get a space, I'm just gonna send this. Reverse this temp. Ah. If you wanna reverse this string, like this. Now after reversing it, what we are gonna do is a white space, and then I'm gonna set temp to an empty string. At the end, after we finish this loop, I'm gonna return out. Now there can happen. It can happen. Like there might not be a space. There can only be a word. For example, only this word came. So if this also came, I just have to reverse it, isn't it? So what can I do in this case? Okay, so I'll keep a track for this. Okay, if this thing never happened, like the false, if this thing never went into this if statement, what we are going to do is we are going to reverse the string itself and return it. Why this is happening, bro? Okay, and I'm gonna return that string. So okay, I hope everything is cool. Okay, we don't have anyone till now. Ing, not ing, but and. Okay, let's go. Oh, nice. Okay, so it it what happened here? I didn't do this thing. The ending word. Okay, so I don't need to do this track thing, I guess. And know this. But what I have to do is so we have the end word in this. So okay, and I haven't added it. Knees weak, arms are weary. Vomit on his soda already. When he wrote down, the whole car goes around. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. Snap back to reality. Oops, the gold gravity. Maximum depth of an array tree. Find its maximum depth. The maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root to the down to the farthest path leaf. An array tree input serializes represented in their level order. Rather selects each group of children is separated by the number values. What does that mean? What does this mean? We'll have the root, isn't it? What is this? I don't know. What is this n array? Given an n array tree, find its maximum depth. N array tree. This topic is newer. I don't know what they mean. Okay. No issue. Let's. Is then or equal to. I don't. I know to how to find out the binary. Just have to add, and we have to return the maximum of from the left and right. But this thing is something new for me, the n array tree. So I don't think I will be able to solve this problem. Let's move on. Because this problem I have to study by myself. Now, I tried it, but I was not able to success, I guess. Given an integer array 2 and returns integer into n pairs. Oh man, I'm not gonna do this. The Can the root of a binary tree? I hope the brightness is less. I hope everything is good for now. The quality of my stream, etc. things. Given the root of a binary tree, return the sum of every node's tile. The tile of a tree node is the absolute difference between the sum of all leaf subtree. Oh my god, this is the boring. This is boring, man. Okay, let's just not solve some problems. I'm just gonna chill for now. How you gonna chill, lawyer? What we can do for now? we can create some React projects. So what shall we create? What shall we create using React? We have a skill with us for React.js, which is okay. So I have this whole bunch of notes for me for React.js, how to use it, and etc. things. If you want to say it, we can. Let's just say it. We can go to our desktop, right click, and then why this coming display view? What is this? We have these things here. We have JavaScript concepts, some SQL concepts here. Actually, I was trying to give an interview, but I was not able to clear the TSA part, so that's why I'm. What shall we do? And rather than this, I also have all this Flutter, React notes. So it's well organized notes for now. If you want this note, you can check out my GitHub page if anyone's there. So it's this page. You can get the React notes. It's public, so I have some couple of notes. Okay, cool. So we'll be creating some React projects. How we are gonna do it? I don't know. I want to know if we'll be able to do it. Let me check my quality. Diameter of a binary tree? Nice. I was trying to give an interview, but I was not able to clear the TSA part. Oh, cool. Collection is excellent, bro. Let's go. What shall we do? Let's start a React project. What say? But what's the topic? What are we? Let's create a text editor, an online text editor using React.js with the formatting and etc. stuff. I'll be back soon. I'll end this live now and we'll create a React project for our own. So not doing the competitive now. So I'll edit this thing. I'm just gonna and just creating some React, bro. Checks. Not gonna do. Not gonna do this thing. No man, just let's. So I hope we can do this thing. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's create a React project for now. CMD. It was, I guess, npx. What will the project name is editor. Okay, so it will take a little bit of time for creating the projects. Let's plan it. So it will be non-responsive for now because no one codes on the phone. I hope. So it will be a simple text editor. Shall we create our own programming language? What say? What say? What should we do? Create our own programming language? It will not be a normal programming language. It will be a language for only coders. What say? Like if we have some people, sorry, it will be used for creating some pseudo Codes for competitive programmers. I don't know what to do now. Well, let's first just create a simple. Oh, what I'm doing. Simple text editor. On the left hand side, the editor will be there, and the numbers will also be there from 1 to 3, 4. And it will be a dark theme. So I'll be creating my own text editor. I need your help, bro. I'm sharing how I create my titles and description with you all guys. So I'm gonna just copy and paste this here. Copy. Feel free to ask any question if you have. I'm gonna save this. Okay, cool. So we will be again with our project. So if there's no chat, no, there's no chat as usual. So opening the VS Code for now. Open the terminal. Yeah. npm start, I guess. Okay, so I just have to remove this thing. Here's our live stream. Only one view. Only I'm there. Okay. I'll go there and I'll disable Vim because we are not solving problems. I'll disable this thing. Okay, cool. And the font is also too bold for now. I'll just okay, just a second. I'm just changing the font for now. It should not be. I think I have Fira code. No, it's not Fira. It's okay. It's okay if I have if this thing. Only the thing is, it should be bold. Okay. So I have this thing. We should remove this and type some hello. Remove this. We don't need this, and we'll go to and what else? Okay, we'll create a new folder for pages. Then components. These two folders are important also for some services which we are going to use afterwards, not now. And we have the CSS file right now, so we'll create the what else we're going to need for this project. This will be a single page application, so only this one page will be there where user can just write the code like this. He'll be writing the code. And what to do about this? We're not going to use it, or this will be the setting. Okay, so this will be the setting. Okay, cool. So what are we going to use for this? Are we going to use some inputs? But if we use input, we will not be able to, display the line numbers or etc. stuff. How we are gonna do this? I have no idea. So, and what will be the speciality of this text editor? First of all, we will build a basic text editor. Then we will see what's the speciality will be. Okay, so how are we gonna do it? And shall I use a bootstrap or no? I'll not use bootstrap. I'll use plain. And I'm gonna add the code in app.js. I'm not gonna use any pages or any. I'll be using components, but I'll not be using this pages thing. So I'm gonna okay. First of all, let's remove this thing. Okay, I'll be coding inside of it. Okay, cool. I wish there could be some people watching me, but it's just hopes. So no one watching me. We're gonna play Minecraft also. Cool. So I have this thing. How the people will come after 8 or 9. Okay, let's go. We'll be building this text editor for now. I just don't like the background color. Let's change it a little bit. Body, but it's not good if it's black. It should be something like this, so it doesn't look a lot of. There's not a lot of contrast. Okay, so the editor will be like this. What I'm gonna do is I have to divide this. This will be our main div, so I'll name it main div like this. Okay, I'll draw it here. So this will be our main div. I don't think so. You will be able to see it. Well, this, yeah, this will be our main div. This will be our left div. Okay, left hand side. Okay, so I will be using grid layout for this. It will be the best for this now. Okay, let's just first display grid template columns. Rows will be 1 and columns will be 2 columns for now. What this is doing, yeah. Okay, and the body is taking the full height. This main div also should take full height. I don't think I should give the height and the percentage. Let's see how it looks for now. Okay, I think this is the case. Okay, it's because we have the index.js in the here also we okay. So in this file we have a div inside of which we are coding. So this is a root div. That's why. Okay, cool. Now we have the app. This red color is so dangerous for your eyes, man. Okay. So I have the main div now. We have the columns in it. We'll create the left div for now. Mm, yeah, so we have the left div inside of which we'll be writing our code. So let's rather than its background will be for now black. We'll keep the high contrast theme for this, and we don't need the borders. It's visible, quite visible. So what are you gonna do? How are you gonna do? Will we? How we can create a text editor, bro? This is the first time I'm doing something like this. I'm doing it on live, so I don't have any idea. But yeah, let's go. So what's there in my mind is that we can have inputs like this and user present because we cannot, you know, or can we cannot do this. We cannot use a single input, nor we can use text editor. Sorry, text editor. I'm saying text, but it's I cannot use the text area also. This kind of thing. How I'll be using it, yeah, because I cannot, color this. I can write how are you, okay, how are you, etc. things, but I cannot, I don't have the option for showing the line numbers. You can go to Google and what was that? More. Still have this, not this. Yeah, MDN. I forgot it. So we don't have any. We have the rows and columns, but we don't have. I'll check if there exists any React library for it. We have wrap, spell check, resize, border. We have the height and width. Don't have this. So we don't have anything. So how are we doing it? Oh, QUILL is a modern, rich text editor built for compatibility and extensibility. It was created by okay. Cannot use this for React, I guess. No. Oh. Draft.js is a JavaScript data frame built for React and backend by an immutable model. So I don't have any idea for this. Do you have some examples so that I can take that and I can create the... Could this doesn't look like a text editor, bro? Text IO draft is real. Let's just not use any other thing. Rather than we'll use our own. My best friend, can you prepare group YouTube channel Discord is dar Discord page. I want to join you. Okay, bro. I didn't get it. I'm so sorry. I'm replying to you late. I haven't seen your message, but I didn't get it. My best friend, can you prepare group YouTube? Okay. So you want to join the live stream? So, but I don't have any discount account with me. Actually, I used to use it, but I currently don't have any. And if you can tell me more about it, like what exactly you want to do, so I'll try to do it. I used to use Discord a long time back, but I currently am not using it. Okay, so we can change the. Nice. This is cool. Okay, so how are we gonna do it? Gonna have. Are we gonna have this thing like 1, 2, 3, something like this, or we are gonna have? What are we gonna have, bro? Come on, Leo, tell, speak. Come on, do something. Because if I use an input, because if I use an input field, I'll not be able to text. I'll not be able to highlight or style this thing. See, okay. That's why I will not be able to do this. If we don't have the text area, we can actually style it. But so what if I what I can do is rather than but how I'll be editing the text? I'll not be able to edit the text then. What can I do, man? Is there anyone that can, you know, give me some guidance about this? How I'll be able to do this thing? Because if I create a event listener, listen to like okay, I've don't know one thing. To object. Okay, so using use effect I can do it. Let's check. Can I do this thing? I need the console first. Okay, so I can do this. First of all, we'll change this thing a little bit. I'll have only one column for now, and we'll change the font size also. Yeah, this is cool. Tita. Nice name, Tita. Okay, let's get back to work. Overall, on key press, I guess. Is this event? No, this is not. What was the event, bro? I forgot. What was the event name? All the events name. What's the event name, bro? Bro. Okay. On key down. This was the event. So I think we have. Why it's not accepting anything? Why it's not giving me the output, bro? What happened? So rather than adding that event lister on this window, I can do it on the. Yeah, man, I'm an idiot. We can do this rather than using the user effects stuff. We are still not able to listen to this. Why? What's happening here? Is there anything else? Any? What is happening, bro? What's the difference between capture? It's listening for the keys. Why it's not listening for the keyboard? Okay, let's just ask the GPT, bro. Okay, so this was something new for me. Time index. We'll also do this. So we need to add this to for the element to get focused. Nice. I think we got an border here. Yeah, we got the border. So rather than 100, we will do it. Okay, cool. So now we are listening to the keyboard events. But why did we get this on top? I don't want that, bro. Okay, so because of this. It'll keep the padding, but not this much, but 10%. But why it's the padding on the top is more than the left. Okay, let's just not cell type here. And I'll use a state for now. Text. Not use effect, bro. It's state. And initially it will be empty. And on key down, what I'm gonna do is, and also I don't want to record the control keys, so I'll check for that later. I'm just gonna set text to okay, not just this, but the previous value plus this new value. And we'll have the text here. Let's see if this works. It's working, but I have to change the style for now. Let's put this into the p tag and change the style. Cool. So we have a text editor. Oh, backspace. Nice. It's reading for the alt also. Cool. We have 6 views. We have no comments. No issue. It's reading for the backspace. If we have a backspace, what we are gonna do? So it means if I press space, it's gonna add a. Just a second. I'll be back. Right back. Yo, I'm back. I'm so sorry for that. I had some work. I hope you understand. We have no chat, so no worry. Let's continue with our project. Okay, so if we are adding space, it's not getting added. If you want to add some multiple space, initially it will be empty. So if our text is empty, we are gonna show otherwise you want to show the text. So if we have this, okay, initially we'll have something like this, and if we start typing, it's not. Why it's not working now? What happened? Okay, so it's not focused. That's why it's happening. If it's not focused, then it's not gonna work. So how the user will know if it's focused or not? So what we can do if it's focused, what's the value for the outline, bro? No suggestions. What's the value for this? Because if it's not focused, then user will not know that how we can do it. Okay, so we can't do this there. What we can do is change this and we can do this if it's focused. So if we have this, it's not having it. Why? Do you have any on focus stuff? Okay, so we have on focus here. Not working. How we can do this? Oh, okay. So here it's changing the background color, but why it's not adding the border color when I'm focusing? Mm, no, it's not working. I think I should remove the border from here. Okay, so if I focus it now, we have the border. Cool. So we have the cool. Initially, also we'll be having some borders, but yeah. So initially we have yellow border, and if we focus this, we have the white border, and we can start typing. Now the next issue that I want to fix is that if I add multiple space, okay, and it should add multiple space. So right now we don't have for spaces. We'll check. We'll do something for the spaces. Now we'll just okay, we can also print the key code. Okay, we cannot. We cannot print the key code right now. Why? We can. Okay, no issue. If the dot key is space, what I'm gonna do? Sorry, just copy this and we're gonna add a dot for now or star for now. I'm gonna return. Okay, so if we have A B C space, yeah, cool. But I don't know why it's not adding the spaces from the ending. I have no idea for that. Let me grab some bottle of water. I'll be back. Just a minute. Okay, I'm back. Let's go. Let's continue. So the one of the issue that I'm facing right now is that it's not adding the spaces rightly. So if I have multiple, like if I'm typing A, then multiple spaces, it's not adding. It's just adding a single space. I don't know why it's happening. Why the spaces are getting removed. What can I do? Um, indentation dot. I want that dot, bro. How can we have it? Have it? Because we don't have currently the spaces. How can we add a space? Even for the enter key. I saw the chat GPT. Okay, do I have to do that? Oh, nice. So we just no, the value is still not fixed. The problem is still not fixed. Yeah, still not fixed the problem. Don't have the problem right now. What to do? Okay. We have 8 views. We don't have any comments. Cool. Why we are not getting these faces? Why we're not getting these faces? I don't have any idea. What we can do is go to this. Okay. I don't have the. I wanna show. Let's check. Yeah, I wanted this character. So in place of space, I'll be showing this. You know, so we have to do some regards. But the padding is not good. The lines. Okay, I'll be changing the font family to console us. Let's change it to monospace. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so what about the backspace that we have? Also, we don't have the line number. Also, have to add it. We'll do it. We'll do it. Definitely, we'll be doing it. 10 views, cool. Okay. A, B, C, Leo, hi, how? So let's handle the backspace for now. Okay. So if we have this backspace, how can I? Okay, from here I can copy. So the key is goes to backspace. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the last word from this text. So how we can do it? Set text. You'll get the previous text. Then what I'm going to do is return ss dot sub string. I'm gonna not include the ending word. So index is equal to ss dot last index of white space. Then I'm gonna just from 0 to index. Let's check if this will work. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Nice. Okay, so we have to return. Oh, I can do this thing, man. I don't have to again and again type the return. Let's run it again. My name is Leo. But with backspace, everything is getting removed. I don't want that. Why is this happening? So, okay, so I'll not do this logic here. I'll do this logic. I hope I'm doing it correctly. Nope. Do I have any? No. I think I got some messages. Okay, I'm getting some security alerts, but I don't think it's important for now. बाहर वाला नहीं उसको वो वाटर प्रूफ है. Okay, let's continue. Okay, someone just messaged me on LinkedIn. Let's just not focus there. Okay, so the problem now we are facing is we press backspace, it's removing everything. So how we can correct this issue? It's not gonna do anything for now. Just gonna print this. So it's working correctly. So what I want is just this thing. Rather than setting is just log it. Why we are getting an empty string when I'm pressing the backspace? I don't want this one. So I'm getting nothing in the console. Why? Okay, actually because the text didn't have a backspace in it, so that's why. Okay, cool. So now we can set it. Okay, cool. So now we have the. So we can now remove the. Okay, so now we have to add the shift thing and also enter. Let's first add the enter thing. If we have the enter, what I'm gonna do is I hope this works. Okay, is it adding? Why it should be else if. Turn views. I cannot subscribe my own channel. Okay. If you're pressing enter, we are getting some unexpected outputs. So I think this is not gonna work. So what if I just add a BR tag? It's gonna take it as a string. Yeah, it's taking it as a string. This is not good. This is not working as I expected it to work. And also the padding is also rot. I don't want the padding shit. But if you don't, I'll have padding left. Uh, if I'm typing something, why it's just not? Is it because of p tag? Should I do? What should I do? I think I should. You know what I can do is whenever I type something, I'll let us let us just log the text that we are getting. Okay. So it's also removing the. Mhm. This is not good. This is not at all good. Not at all good. This is not the way we can build a text editor by ourselves. Yo. So what can we do? What I'm thinking right now is that we'll have the text, then after every input, after every key input, what we are going to do, we're going to take this text, we'll get text, a different kind of text, but it will be a lot of things, like to convert this text into the HTML elements. It's not good, but we have to do this because if we don't do this, we'll not be able to create the text editor properly because it cannot be created only with the text thing. Okay. Rather than this, what we can do, we'll remove this all thing for now. Just remove this, and you're gonna we'll be having an input field for now. Okay, let's see if we can create a formatter. We'll input the text here, and it will be formatted on the right hand side. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but let's see. So if I input anything, for example, a code like, okay, so if you're trying to create a formatter, it should be language specific. Let's create a language formatter for CSS for now. CSS formatter. So I'm just going to copy and paste this here, and it will be printed here. I'm a stupid person. Just change it to. I'll not add the style here. I'll just change the color in the CSS file. Oh, nice. Okay, so text we can use text box. It's text area. I forgot the name also. Okay. I'm pressing enter here and enter is not visible here. Okay, then how we are gonna do it, bro? Oh, we will be able to do it because it's in p tag. That's the reason. I don't think so. What if we haven't? Because normally the paragraph tags is something we can have. No, we cannot have. So we can use this template string. It's also showing in one line only. Nope. I don't think I'll be able to complete this project. I'll be able to create the project because I think we don't have any way of converting this. But why the HTML page is not showing the slash n? What can we do to make it work? How can we, bro? Is it because of wrap or something? Let's add the GPTs. Okay, so for the enter also we have to do this. I was not knowing this. Okay, I was not knowing this also. There's no such property. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So we had code, the previous code, but it will not work. This will also not work. I guarantee you. Because I'm displaying the text in the. So it basically means what I'm doing is I'm giving this like it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's rendering something like this. It's not. Oh, escapes raw text for security. Nice. We also don't have this property. I think it's only available for the. Okay, so we have to use the div rather than a span. Okay, actually, this will not work as expected. Oh, nice. It's working. Cool. Okay. Cool. Now we are getting, at least we are getting the all of the characters. Cool. Cool. Nice. Don't need the padding. We don't need the min and or something. Nice. Cool. Okay. But there's a one issue. I don't want to handle this here. Okay. Now how we are gonna create a formatter? We'll have this thing something as this size. So first of all, we'll fix it. We'll increase the size of this text area. Not color, but columns. Not have the calls. No. Why? Okay, so I just have to, I think. Okay. Well, it should not be okay, Android, but let's. For now, I just want a functioning layout. I don't want it to be working. Yeah, this will work. It's overflowing. Okay, cool. Can we change the background of this text area? I don't think so, but let's check. Oh, nice. Change it to black. We'll change the color also. Nice. And we don't want the borders. No, it's not going. The border's not going. Okay, it's not border but outline. Okay, cool. Nice. What is this? I don't want that also, but for now let's just ignore it. So what are we gonna do? We just gonna okay, so if these we'll add the line number also. But how? How we are gonna go add the line numbers? I have this the text in between of this. Okay. How can we? It's also overflowing, so I will be setting the overflow property. Okay, now I can. Okay, I can scroll now. I'll remove the background, bro. I don't want it. So what I'm doing currently is I'm just rendering this text. I'm typing the not doing anything here right now. I'm typing the text in here. I'm changing the state on change. But before printing it on this, I want to apply some things. Like if we have a const, what I'm talking about is if we have a const keyword, I just want to convert it into and print it on this screen. So I want to do something like this. Okay, so how I'm gonna do it? Can do some logic here. No, I cannot do it. Okay, if there is a space, if it's in space, what I can do is I can perform, I can change the, I can do something on this text, like the word that is before the white space. Let's check if I can do this. Let's check if we can do this thing just for fun. Okay. So I'm not getting any. So it's not getting rendered. Okay, so I'm not getting this line. Why? Okay, because the value will be the whole value, not only the last character. I can do this, yeah. Well, I don't know I took this project, but so for space it's not printing. Nice. This is dangerous. I'm not getting the output as an HTML, but it's getting it as in text. Oh my god, this is so hard. This is not what we can do right now, I think. Okay. We have something on the right. Can't. I wish I could do something, yeah. But we have like hi. I don't want to do this, man. Come on. What can we do? Okay, I don't think I'll be able to do it. Then what can we do with this project? What can we create with this project now? If we are not able to build the project itself. Okay. If anyone has any idea, he can give a comment and we'll create something. For now, I'll be ending this live stream. Okay. I'll be back after an hour. After having my dinner.